Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung A16. So for this you're gonna need a data cable plugged into a computer or laptop, and what you wanna do is press and hold down the volume down button and the power button. Keep holding until the phone goes off. When the phone goes off, switch your finger to the volume up, but keep holding the power button for a few seconds. Now release the power button, but keep holding the volume up. And now you see the recovery mode. Here you want to select with the volume down, wipe data factory reset. Confirm this with the power button. Once again, select factory data reset. Confirm again with the power button. And your phone is completely wiped. Please do remember, this will wipe all your data and you will have to remember your Google account details so you can activate the phone again so you can use it as normal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.